Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our channel, Your Bankers Mantra. I hope all you are good and preparing well. And first of all of you thank you who are supporting us. And we are preparing for RRB PO and Clerk 2022. And daily in evening, I am providing daily to-do list for both PO and Clerk. And start your preparation from today onwards with confidence. And if you have any doubts, join my Telegram group. And I will provide that link in description. And I hope you are all following my daily to-do list. And we have to become our support and strength. So start your preparation and let's start our tomorrow's to-do list. And tomorrow is day 14. So as usual, daily in morning, revise basics of each subject like tables, squares, cubes, alphanumeric values and some vocabulary words, etc. So daily in morning, revise basics of each subject and don't forget to revise basics of any subject. And after that, give 1 hour for reading current affairs. And who are beginners, they can prefer from Adda 247 or grade up. And who are already preparing, they can from affairs load or study IQ. So daily in morning, give 1 hour for reading daily current affairs. And after that, watch an editorial video from Adda 247 YouTube channel by Santosh sir. And daily in morning at 8 am, there is a live class of editorial video. So daily in morning, watch that video. And after that, on daily basis, attempt a clerk prelims exam from one of your source. And after attempting it, analyze its weak areas where you are lacking and note down all your weak areas where you are lacking and note down all the weak areas on a paper for the next day preparation. And then give 1 hour for each practicing quant and reasoning for pre-level. So tomorrow for quant section, watch a basic level video from any YouTube channel for partnership topic. And also for reasoning pre-level, watch any basic level video for coding decoding topic. And give your time as much as possible for practicing this quant and reasoning for our pre-level. And after that, in afternoon, who are beginners, they repeat the morning schedule and also practice for your weak areas. And also we have many free PDFs for practicing pre-level from Smart Kid and Practice Mark. So practice all those for your pre-level. And also if you weak in any subject or topic, practice for that. And we have many free PDFs. So give your time as much as possible for practicing all these. And who are preparing for mains, in afternoon, attempt quizzes from Adda 247 app for quadratic equations. And also for reasoning mains, attempt quizzes of data sufficiency. And also for English mains, attempt quizzes from Adda 247 app for close test topic of high level. And we have many free PDFs and quizzes from Adda 247 and also from Smart Kida. So use all those quizzes for our mains preparation. And after that, for our mains preparation, give 1 hour for reading banking awareness and computer awareness. So for banking awareness, tomorrow read financial reforms and banking innovation topic from 52nd page to 56th page. And also for computer awareness, read a data representation topic of MCQs from 51st page to 54th page. And after that, in evening also, give 1 hour for reading current affairs. And from 2 days, we are reading April 4th week current affairs. So tomorrow, attempt quizzes of April 4th week current affairs from one of your source. And after that, attempt a PO prelims exam from one of your source. And after attempting it, analyze its weak areas where you are lacking and note down all your weak areas on a paper for the next day preparation. And also, I will provide all the links and PDFs for these daily to-do list topics in my Telegram group, Your Bankers Mantra. And also, who are beginners, if you have any doubts about these topics and also about this exam, you can freely ask in my Telegram group and I will provide that link in description. So join my Telegram group for more daily updates and also for latest updates. And that's all for tomorrow's to-do list. And thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates and daily updates. And thank you.